What is acupuncture? Today, we delve into the therapeutic practice of acupuncture, an age-old technique from traditional Chinese medicine. Acupuncture involves the careful placement of thin needles at specific points on the body. This process stimulates the flow of energy or qi, restoring balance and inviting overall well-being. For centuries, individuals have turned to this ancient method to alleviate discomfort and enhance their health. At Shakthi, we empower our patients to embrace an active role in their health. Our team combines the time-honored wisdom of traditional healing with modern medical practices, creating customized treatment plans that target the root causes of illnesses. Benefits of acupuncture. This holistic approach offers a myriad of benefits, including pain relief, reduced inflammation, reduced stress levels, and an overall enhancement in well-being and vitality. Acupuncture sessions at Shakthi Health and Wellness are conducted in a relaxed and healing-oriented environment. Experience the benefits of acupuncture today.